Make It Count bar and music sessions. Through our research and in cooperation with sound engineers and producers, we have created original music for Jack Daniel's cocktails. At the moment, we are entering a new era of sound brand management, which will soon become one of the main identities of the product itself. We are creating original music through professional approach of psychology and sound. That is, influence of sound on all our senses. Lynchburg Lemonade. With ingredients and more relaxed cocktail notes, we mixed reggae organ and guitar chords to achieve summer moments and enjoyment. Make it count.